This week, we're going to be talking about the industries that can actually utilize the WOTC program. So, with that said, years ago, when I ran an organization where we provided this processing service, I was under the impression that this program was good for food service industry, the medical industry, gas stations, and these were major gas stations. So I was under the impression that this program was for corporations only. I began to think back and I realized that it was the corporations that were getting these huge tax credits. When in fact, after my own research, I have come to find that this is not just for corporations to take advantage of. So you have your 1040 filers, that's going to be the group of sole proprietors, LLCs, trust partnerships, and S Corps. Those groups of individuals are utilizing the 1040 with the 5884. So if you're in that market, here's what I want you to understand. If you've had a $100,000 tax liability at the end of the year, you're normally falling into a 25% tax credit, which means on $100,000, the federal government's going to be looking to receive a check from you for $25,000. However, if you're working with a vendor such as us who have saved you $20,000, then guess what? The federal government is going to receive a $5,000 check from you. On the other hand, if you are an 1120 filer, these are the C Corps. You're using the IRS Form 10 or 1020 along with the 3800. You all are usually in a 30% tax category. So on the same $100,000 tax liability, if you have a $100,000 tax liability with 30%, then the federal government is looking to receive a $30,000 check from you. However, again, if you're working with a vendor such as Swain Consulting and we've saved you approximately $20,000, then the check that the federal government's going to get from you is going to be $10,000. Are you seeing a pattern here? Last but not least, and most importantly, a lot of times I am speaking to nonprofit organizations who automatically think that they cannot utilize this program. That's not true. Your nonprofit organizations are usually what we call the 990 filers. You're usually filing on the IRS Form 5584. And the way that this normally works for you is, hypothetically, you're in the Social Security rate of 6.2%. So you've got an employee who's earned $40,000 with you. The Social Security rate of 6.2%, that says that your taxes due are $2,480. However, if you're utilizing the Work Opportunity Tax Credit Program, the good news for you is you can use this on a quarterly basis, and you're going to file your tax credits on the quarter after your tax credits were earned. So if you've got a tax liability in a quarter of $2,480 and your vendor or us have saved you an overabundance of $2,480, you're going to claim the $2,480 this filing period, and next quarter you can continue to use what's left over. Most importantly, for the different industries, I'm sure that you all may have at one point considered using the program. Maybe you thought it was too much paperwork. I'm here to share with you that we do all the paperwork. Give your problems to us. Feel free to reach out to me. I'll take phone calls, 513-818-1753. My direct extension is 4. You're more than welcome to email me at stevie@swainconsultingllc.com, or feel free to go to the website, www.swainconsultingllc.com. You can set up an actual phone consultation there on the website, and I'll be more than happy to speak with any one of you who have questions. We're here to educate and we're here to serve. Hope you've had an awesome new year. Let's start this new year off the right way, saving your company monies. Thanks so much. We'll see you next week.